नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आय एम सुनील लोटन सोनवणे फ्रॉम टिळकनगर शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ, टिळकनगर ज्युनियर कॉलेज डोंबिवली ईस्ट is presenting 1.3 The Cop and the Anthem Part 4 Brainstorming. Let us see Part 4 Brainstorming. A1 First, discuss with your partner and find out the different ways in which Sophie tried to get arrested. The first one is given. Try to enter a luxurious cafe. B. Picked up a big stone and threw it through the glass and dashed it. C. Sat at the table in the restaurant and drink and eat up breakfast, flapjacks, dumpnut, and pie, and told the waiter that he was unable to pay coins. D. Began to yell drunken gibberish at the top of his harsh voice, danced, hollowed, raved to disturbance in the skies. E. Step inside a cigar store, grabbed the umbrella, and sauntered off with it slowly. Second activity, describe the atmosphere when Sophie reached near the church. One has been given for you. A soft light glowed through the violet stained window. B. Sweet music of an anthem came to Sophie's ear out of the quaint old church. C. The moon was above, full and radiant, vehicles and few pedestrians. D. Sparrows twittered sleepily in the eaves. Next activity. A story and match the incidents given in column A with the consequences given in column B. स्टोरी वाचायची आहे आणि ए कॉलममध्ये जे प्रसंग दिले आहेत त्या प्रसंगांचे परिणाम बी कॉलममध्ये दिलेले आहेत ते ए कॉलमशी मॅच करायचे आहे. 1. सोफी ट्राय टू एंटर अ कॅफे. द कॉप Sophie tried to enter a cafe. Strong and ready hands of the head waiter turned him around. 2. Sophie broke a glass window. Answer. The cop ran after another man. 3. Two waiters pitched Sophie on the callous pavement. Consequence. He stood up slowly, beating the dust from his clothes. 4. Sophie heard the anthem being played in the church. Consequence. Suddenly, a wonderful change came in his heart. 5th. Cop arrests Sophie for hanging around. Consequence. Dream of turning around in life was shattered. Next activity. Give reasons and complete the following. A. Sophie had confidence in himself because he was clean, his coat was trim, and his neat. He had been presented black bow, he was looking right, and would raise no doubt in waiter's mind. B. The head waiter of the luxurious cafe did not allow Sophie to enter because the head waiter saw his broken old shoes and torn clothes that covered his legs. C. The cop did not arrest Sophie for breaking the glass window because they believe that the men who smash windows do not stop to catch with the police. They run away as fast as they can. The police saw a man halfway down the block running to catch a car and they ran after him. D. The cop did not arrest Sophie for shouting and dancing because there was a at Hartford College for the college boys. They were noisy but no harm, and the cops had been informed to let them noise. Activity number 3. Pick out the lines from the text which show that A. Sophie wants to enter the cafe for two reasons. Reason number 1. A roasted mala duck thought Sophie would be about the thing with a bottle of wine and then some cheese, a cup of coffee, and a cigar. Reason number 2. The meat would leave him filled and happy for the journey to his winter island. Next, Sophie was afraid that he wants to be to able to enter the prison. It seems that his route to the coveted island was not to be an easy one. Some other way of entering the limbo must be devised. Number C. Sophie was not caught by the cop. Sophie was not caught by the cop through throwing stones at the glass because the first policeman refused to accept Sophie even as a clue, and second, the policeman saw a man halfway down the block running to catch a car. D. Sophie actually did not want the umbrella because uh, because he hurled the umbrella angrily into an excavation. Listening to the anthem, Sophie remembered his good old days because the reason for that is he had known it well in the days when his life contained such things as mothers and roses and ambitions and friends and immaculate thoughts and colors. 4. Activity number 4. He would make a man of himself again. The word man in the sentence means the responsible and worthy person who lives life like a gentleman. Fifth number. Sophie's earlier life was much different from his present life. Complete the table to show this contrast. One is done for you. Earlier life, contained friends and roses. B. Eager ambitions. C. Clean thoughts and clothes. Present life, unworthy desires, dead hopes, degraded days, dead hopes, degraded days, wrecked facilities, base motives. 6 number. After listening to the sweet and solemn organ note, Sophie decides to answer A. He would pull himself out of the mud, means mire. B. He would make a man of himself again. C. He would conquer the evil that had enslaved him. D. He would restore his old eager ambitions and pursue them without losing his strength. E. He would go into the roaring downtown district and find work. F. He would be somebody in the world. Next, 7 number, activity number 7. Write an incident in which you did something wrong and repented for it later. Give reason. I have given one example. You can write your own in your own answer. The incident I had done wrong and repented for it, that is the incident in Diwali vacation. We friends were exploding firecrackers. One of the firecrackers hadn't exploded as its wick had been damaged and was a problem to reach to the ignition point. An idea stuck in my mind. I think, why it not be put into fireplace? We friends collected waste papers and were trying to light fireplace by blowing air with mouth so the fireplace would be ignited properly. For our surprise, when one of my friends was blowing the fireplace with mouth, the firecracker we had put in the fireplace exploded suddenly and he was badly affected and damaged. After that incident, I felt very sorry and I repented because it was the idea given by me to put firecracker in the fireplace. A3. O. Henry has used different words to indicate prison where Sophie wants to reach. Make a list of those words. Coveted island, limbo, the island, Arcadia. These are the words used by O. Henry to indicate prison where Sophie wants to reach. A3 second, find out the words used for the degraded state of Sophie. 1. The pit into he had tumbled. The pit into he had tumbled. The degraded days, unworthy desires, dead hopes, wrecked facilities, base motives. A4 1. Convert the following sentences into negative. Number 3. The specific meaning of the word anthem in the content of the story is a rousing or uplifting song set up with music, contained with religious thought, to be sung by an organized group of singers during a church service on the day of religious observance and abstinence from work by Jews and Christians. Convert the following sentences into negative without changing their meanings. The policeman refused to accept Sophie even as a clue. The policeman didn't accept Sophie even as a clue. Sophie drifted along twice unsuccessful. Sophie drifted along twice not successful. Sophie accepted his unwilling rocket. Sophie didn't keep continue his unavailing racket. The island seemed very far away. The island seemed not at all near. The island seemed an unattainable Arcadia. The island seemed an Arcadia which was not attainable. Convert the following sentences into affirmative without changing their meaning. Men who smash windows do not remain to chat with the police. Men who smash windows refrain from remaining to chat with the police. Why don't you call a cop? Why do you avoid to call a cop? On the opposite side of the street was a restaurant of no great pretensions. On the opposite side of the street was a very ordinary restaurant. Noisy but no harm. Noisy but harmless. Noisy but harmless. They seemed to regard him as a king who could do no wrong. They seemed to regard him as a king who was always right. Now we have completed this section here. You have homework. There is homework for you. A5 1 and 2, A6 1 and 2. Thank you.